Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be making these decorative wall letters for my daughter's bedroom. Previously, they were pink, which was the color of her room, but I am going to be changing them into patterns of teal blue, white, and silver. I originally purchased these letters from Hobby Lobby, but you can also find them at Michael's or Joann's as well. For a few of the letters, the paint that I'm going to be using is the same paint color that I used to paint her accent wall in her bedroom, which is this Bermuda blue paint. I'm also going to be using a white acrylic paint that I purchased from Walmart. I also purchased some teal blue gemstones. I found these at the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some clear rhinestones as well. So to apply the paint, I like to use foam paint brushes because they don't leave streaks. They go on a lot smoother. And if you don't want to mess up your nails or your hands, I recommend that you do use gloves, and you can find these 10 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. The first letter I'll be working with is the letter A, and I'm going to take this masking tape and diagonally place it along the center of the A. So Jalen is going to be helping me out with this project as well. She's going to paint some of the letters, and it's a fun little project for us to do together. So if you do this for your kids' room, it's kind of good to get them involved, especially with paint and art, because most kids love painting and art. So I am going to paint the J in teal blue, and she's going to start painting the bottom half of the A in the white. While the first coat of those letters dry, we are going to move on to the I and the L. So each letter needed at least 2 to 3 coats of paint, and I'm applying the second coat to the end. Now the white letters are the ones that needed 3 coats of paint because we were painting on top of a dark pink color which was bleeding through. Now I'm removing the masking tape from the letter A, but I'm also going to apply another piece right along the middle of that line that's separating the colors. And I'm going to add the teal blue paint to the top half. Now I decided to completely stripe the Y, so it's going to be blue and white stripes going all the way up and down. And to achieve this, I'm going to take the masking tape and leave it on the part that I'm going to be leaving white, and space it out for the blue part that I'm going to paint. And I'm painting the letter with the blue paint on the area that is uncovered by the masking tape. Once the paint is dry, slowly remove the masking tape from the letter. And this is what both the A and the Y look like now that they're done. However, for the A, I decided to add some of the blue rhinestones along the edge just to kind of bling it out a little bit and make it a little bit more different from the Y. So for the letter I decided to use the clear gemstones and place them right along both ends of the letter. And this is it, a super cute little blinged out eye. So for the letter L, I'm just going to add the teal blue rhinestones all across the bottom. I picked up these white paper flowers. They were 3 in a pack from Michael's, and I used my 40% off coupon. And I'm just going to place them on the N and the J because I wanted to add something different to them. And they have a little adhesive sticker on the back of them. And the little rhinestones in the middle of the flower actually go with the rhinestones that I placed on the letter I. So the letters are done. This is how they turned out. I think they're so cute, and I cannot wait to put them above her bed. I know they're gonna go really great with the color scheme in her room. So this was a super easy and fun project to do. I kind of created the patterns as I went along as to how I wanted each letter to be. And there's so many other things that you can do with them as well. You can add glitter with Mod Podge, or you can use craft tape that comes in so many different designs and put on there. So just kind of have fun with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You will see what the letters look like in her room in her final room tour, which is coming. So as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.